Meaning of exemption.
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 Exemption. Exemption refers to a situation where someone or something is exempt from a particular requirement, rule, or obligation. It means that they are not subject to the same constraints as others and may be granted certain privileges or immunities. This concept often arises in legal contexts, where exemptions may be granted for specific individuals or groups based on their status or circumstances. In some cases, exemptions may be temporary or conditional, and they may be subject to review or revocation if conditions change or if the exempted party fails to comply with other requirements.